Are you gonna go with the fan? Come on, you can do it. Oh, oh, oh. You're sitting up. He's so close. I know Mommy's mean she moved it. Good little army crawl there. Okay, let's yank on it. That's the best toy ever.
Ben.
Oh, you okay? Bonk. We're bonk. You're okay. You're okay. Mommy kissed it.
Mean toy.
I don't want it.
You gotta put him further away, Mommy. Back by the toys.
Okay. Come on, let's go over here. We've got other toys over here. You hear a frog rattle? Uh-huh. You just can't get very far in your hands and knees, can you? Commando crawl is much better, huh? You're gonna knock your head again, baby. Hey, let Mommy take you back here again. There's your toys. Oh, your little head is all red. Did you hear your toy again? Oh, I forgot. Oh, yeah. It's okay. Keep trying. It's okay.
Hey, Ben.
Where's
Ben.
Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Hi.
Is Daddy filming you?
Hi. Look, Banqueters. Look.
Where's the baby? You're not filming the baby anymore. There you go. You want to come see Mommy now? Come see Mommy. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. You're so close. Come on. Well, now you sat further away. Buddy came to see Mommy. Oh, did you see the books? You see the books, don't you? Hey, you can do it, honey. It's okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, the fan. It's even closer. I can get it. Such a goof.
Say bye-bye again, Banqueters.
Say bye-bye, baby. That's enough.